right, as you can see, the house is going up. This is concrete unit masonry. I figure we should be done today or tomorrow. That's the goal. I got more block coming in. I don't like to order a lot of block, you know, because even though if this is a two-story, I'm still going to use it. But, you know, I just don't like to. So right now I can be like 7 cubes short, but they're still working. So I got that on order. So by the time they finish with this, that block should be here. So I don't have no excess. Now, sometimes I can take block to other jobs. That's not a problem. But it is a problem because I got to transport it. So if I got like 2 or 3 cubes of block, which could be well over 200 some block, you know, I got to transport that to another job. So I try to be as thorough as possible when it comes onto this, because at the end of the day, it's money. Anytime I see a broken block or not used block or whatever, you know, that's every bit of $2 a block, just the block alone. Okay, so it is what it is, right? So when people start talking about costs, and another thing too, you got to understand too, when it comes to construction costs, this block, it's the same cost no matter where I build. A lot of people get caught up, man. Well, why does it cost so much to build here? And you know, they start talking to things I hate. Oh, the community doesn't. I'm like, listen, the material to build that house is no different from me building $1 million house. And let me be clear on that, because sometimes I think that went over a lot of people's head. The material that I use to build, now I'm doing shell, like you see the concrete, you see the rebar on the ground, you see the block that's there, all that, right? That material doesn't know where it's going when I buy it. Same cost. So whatever neighborhood you want to say it shouldn't cost that much or whatever the case may be, they don't give me a discount based on location. All right? So my cost is going to be my cost on material no matter what. Plywood is going to cost the same. Whether you see the videos that I do on the water or I go into inner cities and build, same cost. All right? Let's be abundantly clear on that. But here we are here. This is going to be a 2-story. We got everything going up. Hopefully I'll be done. Like I said, I'll be done with this probably in another, if not today, tomorrow for sure. And then we'll start forming these columns up. Now, we're going to form these columns. I'm only going to 8 feet. I'm not going to pour it all the way up. I don't like doing that. And code says, I don't know if it's code, but industry standard, you know, go up 8 feet, pour it, and then you can go on top of that because it's a vertical, a vertical bearing. So these columns here, I can go on top, right? Okay, so I'm glad you guys are watching, staying tuned to what's happening here. Make sure you go subscribe and like and share my YouTube channel because I'd be putting these videos on as well. All right. Peace.